Hi guys, this is Oksana and you are on my channel Blythe Me More. Today for you I have a video of unpacking a box that came to me from the UK full of Blythe accessories. If you are interested and excited, just stay with me and let's see what's inside. Oh wow, look at this sticker, handmade with love by Picky Blazers. Thank you, Dolly Hugs. This is so sweet. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Look at the packing. I don't know, it's just a masterpiece. Oh, this is so sweet. I've ordered 2 sets. It's like a dolly collar and the heart that she can hold in her hands. I love the colors. Ooh. Right, and this is the birthday hat with a clip. Two of them. So let's dig deeper. I know what are these. Oh, these are the cutest. These are the mushrooms, the pinky ones. They feel like very sturdy and so beautifully made. Oh, something else. Well, this one I don't know what's inside. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to open it. I don't want to ruin this beautiful box. Ah, yeah, these are also very nice accessories, very cute ones, matching the full set. So it's for the right size for Blythe to hold in her hands. I love everything about this packing. It gives me such positive vibes because everything is so cute and everything is so pinky. And everywhere I see these cute stickers, handmade with love, and I know that it's all handmade, and I'm sure that the maker, the Picky Blazers, put a lot of love in creating all these pieces. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, I'm not afraid, you know, to hold it in my hands because I know it will not fall apart. It's all well made. Well, here it's a pinky wire, and this is probably felt and some other fabric. And look at this cutest color ever. Or you can imagine how Dolly will be beautifully looking in wearing all these accessories. It's like a birthday to celebrate. It can be for Valentine's Day. It can be like many ideas. I'm sure that on her page and Instagram you'll find many cute things that you might like. So I'll share with you the link to her page under the video, so you can see what she has. But actually, honestly, everything she posts and everything she makes is so adorable. And let's see this red set. So we'll open it. Oh, wow. The fabric is so nice to touch. I'm sure it's cotton. It's beautifully made. And this is red accessories. Honestly, I cannot wait to try it on my dolls. You know, also I want to add that the everything smells so nice. I don't know what kind of perfume it is, but once unpacking, I don't know, I feel like it's it's some kind of gift from Santa Claus that I was waiting for so long. So I'm so excited, and it's just amazing. The atmosphere, the vibes, the packing, so the way it looks, the way it smells, I don't know, it's just like 5 stars out of 5. I love it. Let's have one more closer look. I feel it's kind of handmade magic. Look, the size is so big. Everything is so matching. I love this set. I would like to add that I received this package very fast. It was around 10 days from the UK to Australia, so everything was pretty fast. Communication with Peaky Blinders was very pleasant and so easy. Well, in general, I'm just so happy with this purchase, and that's why I decided to share this video with you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Peaky Blinders, for making all these amazing things.